What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be trying to start the rebuilt Rb25 in the 240 for the first time. I pretty much finished all the things that I had to do to make it run. I got the wiring done thanks to my friend Crispeed over at AG. I got all the lines hooked up that I needed to hook up, put all the sensors in that I needed to get. The only thing that I haven't been able to do yet is my setup from the oil pan with the breathers. I'm still waiting on some parts, and hopefully this week I should be able to get that together. I'll show you what I'm doing right now. Pretty much have the car ready to be started. I already got the water in it. I already put oil inside the engine. I got the plugs out and pretty much ready to crank it over and try to build up some oil pressure. I'm going to be trying to do that now, and I'll show you in a little bit once I'm pretty much ready to turn it over to start it up. Alright, so I started to crank it and pretty much built up pressure. I don't know if you can see it, but try to see the light right there. That one doesn't work, and this one I don't know if it's working right because I still need to set it up. But the light's going off, so I'm guessing it should be good. Let's try to start it. Alright, got it all ready to go. Put the plugs in, put the coils in. I checked the oil again and made sure everything's good. Let's try to see if it's gonna start. So my camera died in the middle of that video. Pretty much was just showing it run. Let me start it back up again and we'll show you run again. This is the second startup now. Need the keys. That one fixed. I don't know if you can hear me. So she's starting right up, no problems yet. Still gotta fix some things, and hopefully I get to drive it soon. I'm really excited. It's running good, sounds really healthy. Can't really say much right now, but I had to start getting some miles on it. As soon as I get that breather setup done, I'm gonna start driving it slowly. I'm gonna change this oil right now. Probably start it up a couple more times and then change this oil. I don't want to even drive it. I just want to change that oil right away. And that's it. It's running. I'm happy. I don't know. Can't wait to drive this thing. Let's see. Hopefully it makes good power again, and hopefully the motor's running good. Hopefully it stays running good. We'll see. Check back for another video soon. Hopefully the next video we'll see you start moving and driving out of here. Check back in another couple days and we'll see it go.